everyone. Today I am going to tell a story named The Tooth Fairy and the Cleaning Factory. Once upon a time, deep in the forest, there was a tiny little magical village called the Olden Gardens. There were three little tooth fairies named Incisors, Canine and Molor. They were very busy at working in their factory. The three tooth fairies were all named after types of teeth. Incisor was the tall and the skinny with short pink hair. Canine was also tall but with blue hair. The Molor was the short, wise one with curly and silver hair. All day, the busy little fairies cleaned and shined the children's milk teeth that they had collected during all the night. The milk teeth were used to make very useful things in the olden gardens, like furniture and the homes of little fairies. One day, Incisor realized that the teeth coming into the cleaning factory were not as strong as they used to be. "Oh dear," said the Incisor, "these teeth have holes and black spots. They started to crumble as soon as I start to polish them with my cloth. What to do?" Canine said, "I know what's exactly wrong. The children all started to eat far too many sweets and not at all looking after their teeth at all. I know we can fix it," said the Molor, the wise one. She sounded quite excited. The three little fairies said, "It is a fabulous idea. Let's do not waste any time and go to work straight away." That night, it was Canine's turn to fly off to take the teeth from under the sleeping children's pillow. She flew off with a bag of coins, some white berry sandwiches, and a pack of cards that the three fairies spent the afternoon preparing it. It was such a treat to leave the forest and see the city, but it was a very dangerous place for the fairies. Canine had to make sure that the big people never saw her. Earlier in the night, Junior, a little boy, and his mom had placed Junior's milk tooth under the pillow. His mother tucked Junior into the bed and gave him a kiss and left him to fall asleep. By the time Canine the Tooth Fairy arrived, Junior was fast asleep. She lifted Junior's pillow and took the milk tooth of Junior and placed 2 coins and the card that they have prepared all the afternoon. In the morning, as soon as Junior woke up, he lifted his pillow to see if the Tooth Fairy had left any money for him. He was thrilled to find the coins but looked blankly at the card he found in his hand. "Mummy didn't mention anything about a card," he wondered. He read the card out aloud. "The Tooth Fairy's Guide to Healthy Teeth. Eat healthy. Cut down on sugary sweets and drinks. Brush your teeth twice a day. Use a fluoride toothpaste. Visit the dentist regularly." Back in the village of Olden Gardens, the fairies were again very happy about the information card giving to the children. Soon enough, the milk teeth coming into the factory were as strong and healthy again. Thank you.